Assalamu alaikum students. In the previous video lecture we learned some properties of a magnet. And today we are going to learn question number 9.3 part 2. Write down 3 uses of magnets. Students, there are a lot of uses of magnets in our daily life. You will find magnets in phones, doorbells, showers and children toys. Magnets offer many benefits to the industrial world, as well as many computers use magnets to store data on hard drives. Magnets are also used inside TVs, sound speakers, etc. So today the topic of our discussion is uses of magnets. So the answer is magnets are used in electrical bell. Second, magnets are used in TV screens, computer, and as well as in computer screens, telephones and in tape recorders. Magnets are also used in the refrigerators to keep the door closed. There are a lot of applications of magnets in our daily life. Now come to the exercise. Question number 9.1. Encircle the correct option. So first is, an electric circuit is the collection of bulb and cell. No, it's incorrect. B option is collection of bulb and wires. No. C option is collection of cell and wires. No, I didn't think that by collection of cell and wires, either collection of bulb and wires or collection of bulb and cell, we can not say that it is the electric circuit. So an electric circuit is the path of electric current. An electric circuit is the path of electric current. So the D option is correct. Second is, an electric circuit can be made open or closed by using a. So the options are cell, bulb, switch, magnet. The correct option is C, switch. Because we learned that when we on the switch, then the circuit will be closed and current will flow through the wires and bulb will glow. So the correct option is C. Now come to the third. Current cannot pass through. So the options are aluminium wire, B is copper plate, piece of iron, piece of dry wood. The correct option is D, piece of dry wood, because piece of dry wood is an insulator and we learnt that there are some materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them, so they are the insulators. So insulators do not allow electric current to pass through them. So the correct option will be D, piece of dry wood. Piece of dry wood is an insulator. Now come to the next. Which of the following is a magnetic material? In this chapter, students, we learned that a piece of metal which can attract objects made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. So the options are glass, nickel, plastic, aluminium. So the correct option will be B, nickel. Now come to the next MCQs. The S pole of a freely suspended magnet always points towards. Options are east, west, north, south. Students, we learned in activity 9.4, in which we learned that the magnet always points in north-south direction. So the S pole will direct towards the south pole and the N pole of the bar magnet will direct towards the north pole. So the correct option will be south. Now come to the MCQs number 6. What is the effect on the bulb in a closed circuit when the copper wire is replaced by a plastic string? So the options are, the bulb becomes dim, the bulb becomes brighter, the bulb turns off, or no effect on the bulb. So the correct option is C, the bulb turns off. Obviously, when we place a plastic string which is an insulator placed in a closed circuit, then the current will not flow from them. In this way, the correct option will be C, the bulb turns off. Come to the next MCQs. What do thick lines represent in a circuit diagram? The options are battery, switches, connecting wires, bulb. So the correct option is C, connecting wires. As you can see in this circuit diagram, lines represent connecting wires. Now come to the MCQs 9. Connecting wires are usually covered with plastic coating to make them look pretty, make the flow of current easier. C option is make the electrical circuit safe. D option is prevent the wastage of current. So the correct option is prevent the wastage of current. Now come to the MCQs 10. The magnetic force of the bar magnet is maximum at the poles, at the center, between a pole and the center, all over the magnet. So the correct option is A, at the poles. Because we learnt in activity 9.5, the magnetic force is strongest at the poles of the bar magnet. Now students, come to the page number 102. Here is the question 9.2. A girl wants to make a simple closed circuit. A closed circuit is a circuit, students, in which current passes through the wires and bulb will glow. So she has a bulb, a cell and a switch, but no connecting wires. Tick the objects which she can use for this purpose. So these are the different materials. A string is the insulator, so it cannot be used. Aluminium foil is a conductor, so it can be used as a connecting wires. Drinking straws and matchsticks and scotch tape are the insulators, so we cannot use as connecting wires. So safety pins and aluminium foil can be used as connecting wires.